Let us enter into components of ecosystem. The different components of the ecosystem. We can categorize components into four ways. There are four components. First one is productivity. Second one, decomposition. Third one, energy flow. Fourth one, biogeochemical cycle, or you can also call it as nutrient cycling. So these are four components of ecosystem. First one, productivity. Productivity is nothing but production of organic matter. First productivity, it is in terms of plants. Plants produce their own body mass, organic matter. Next, the consumer, that is productivity. And this is very important. It plays very crucial, very important role in ecosystem. Decomposition. When plant or animal die, their body starts decomposing or decaying. Again, it takes place in the ecosystem. It makes the nutrient to recycle, to cycle, or to enter into the soil again. Energy flow, very important factor in ecosystem. Energy in terms of food should move from one trophic level to another trophic level. Energy flow, another important components of ecosystem. Nutrient cycling, like oxygen cycle, oxygen circulates. Carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, even water cycle. What we tell rainfall is water cycle. Water gets evaporated from the sea or ocean, forms cloud, it gets condensed and precipitate as rain. That is also nutrient cycling. So nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle, carbon cycle, sulfur cycle, phosphorus cycle, all those come under this. And these four together forms components of ecosystem. So the entire chapter, this chapter is explanation of each now. One by one we have to study. First we have to study productivity, then we have to study decomposition, then we have to study energy flow, and finally we have to study nutrient cycling.